Bam. Alright, guys. What's up? This is Load Against the World. It's been a while since I made drone videos because a while back ago I was in Houston, Texas, and it wasn't my fault, but for some reason, I got this Mavic Air 2, and this 2.0, I can see 2.0 is supposed to be so great, but somehow, some way, I lost connection like 3 different times, and it's happened before, but it comes right back, right? And then for some reason, it just wouldn't connect back to my controller. And you know how it's supposed to return to home. I don't know if somehow it got in a zone that it wasn't supposed to be in, which it shouldn't even be allowed to do. But it did. And so I guess when it did slip in that zone somehow, it just cut their frequency off. That's all I can think of. Because it didn't even come back home. You know what I'm saying? It just hovered somewhere. I couldn't really know. I saw it on GPS, but I couldn't really see where it was at, like, exactly. And I just had to wait till it landed or whatever happened. And so I waited like 45 minutes. Finally, I saw it. It looked like it was right above a Marriott hotel. And so I was like, it had my number on it. There was no way I can't just be like, no, I can't go get it. They're going to find me anyways. But still, luckily I did get it because I didn't know. Because I have the DJI Refresh Care insurance or whatever, and Refresh Care Refresh, whatever it's called. And luckily I did get it because you do need something. They won't give you another drone unless you have something to give to them. So I ended up calling Marriott, and I was like, this is probably a crazy question, but I think my drone landed on top of y'all's roof where your swimming pool's at. And she's like, huh? And she was like, well, let me send you to the security or whatever. And so they answer the phone, and I asked them, and they're like, oh, we've been waiting for you. Your drone hit one of our windows, and we need to talk to you. And I'm like, I started getting nervous. I was like, oh no. And so I was asking, well, did it break the window or what? I wanted to know, and he was like, no, we need to speak to you right now. They're looking over and see how much it's gonna, cost or whatever. So I was doing a music video at that time with my buddy, and so we had to finish, so we waited, and then we ended up going like an hour later, and I went in there, and I thought I was gonna, get in some kind of trouble, but shoot, I don't know who that guy was, because the guy who gave me the drone wasn't even him. It didn't sound like him. He just gave me my drone, and it was trashed. The lens was gone, the battery was gone, and it was crushed pretty much, and all the legs were broken. So we're thinking, me and my friend are thinking that it just hovered until it ran out of battery, and then it landed, but we think it landed right next to the Marriott and right on the street or something, and somebody ran it over because it looks like it got crushed. And because there's no way it could have ran into the windows, you know what I mean? There's no way, and how would they even have heard that? It would have been boom, and then fell all the way down or something. You know what I'm saying? There's just no way, because with obstacle avoidance, it just would not let it. So anyway, so we think somebody probably ran over, and they felt bad, and because they said that somebody brought it into them and said, hey, look, we found this outside. So my shit was messed up, crashed. So I was like, you know what? As soon as we got home, I made a claim. And another reason why I'm making this is because I was the whole time that I was, waiting to go waiting for my homie to finish shooting the video. I was, looking up, see if I could find any Refresh Care videos on YouTube, and I think I only found one. I mean, I found a bunch of them, but there were none of them were from lately, like 2020, like the past 2-3 months. So I didn't really know for sure, this, so I'm making this video, so anyone else who's, ends up getting in this situation, they can actually see a video that's up to date. I'm saying? This is December, right after Christmas. And I think I set my drone off 2 weeks ago, and I did the Refresh Care Express. So I didn't do the regular one. The regular one, you make your claim, you send it in, they look at it, they make their decision, and then they let you know, then you pay, and then they do what they gotta do. I did the express, which you go past 2 of the steps, you pay it right away, and then you send it off, and then as soon as they get it, they send you an email and let you know, okay, we got your thing, and then they send it back off to you. So this was pretty quick, man. It only took, like, I was looking at other people's things, and it took like 12, 14 days, 2 weeks. It took me like, I say about, they sent it off on the 21st from California. I live in Texas, San Antonio, Texas. They sent it on the 21st, and I got it the 24th, right before Christmas. And so here it is right here. I've opened the box, but I haven't really looked in it yet. I wanted to make this little video real quick, just so people who, you know, are really worried about or want to figure out if this you know, Care Refresh really, you know, is legit and it work. Of course it's legit, but how good does it work? Do they give you a new one? You know, what happens? Well, mine was totally destroyed, so they couldn't fix it. So here we go. Let's check it out. Oh, here it is. Bam! Bam! I don't know. It looks like a brand new one, but they could have put a used one and then wrapped it right and shrink wrapped this baby. But so when you do your claim, it asks you to send in your drone. It asks you not to send in your battery if it's like all like leaking and all kinds of shit like that, and your propellers. I don't know why that's propellers. Well, luckily I had 3 propellers still on there, and then I had one from another, because I had got the Fly More combo, and I already had messed up the first set of my propellers. Well, one of them I broke it, so I had an extra, so I put that extra one in there with them, and I sent it back. And of course I didn't have no battery, and I have 2 other batteries, so I wasn't gonna send one of those new ones. So I just sent back the drone and the propellers. That's it. I didn't even have a damn gimbal on it. So let's see what they give me back. And of course the controller you don't send in. Let's see what I got. I mean, I know it's what I got, but I don't know if this is the original box, because I got the Fly More combo, so it's a bigger box. So I don't know if this is what the original box looks like or not, but mount. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. I mean, it has all the stickers. I mean, it could be a new one. Let's see if I see any marks on it. Sorry about that. Let me climb that. It looks like a new one, guys. Damn, they didn't even send me a battery. That's fucked up. What the hell? They didn't send me shit. Oh. They sent me propellers. They didn't even send me a battery. So I got a pair of propellers and a new drone. And you know what? I'm actually going to call them up and tell them that, you know what? I didn't get a battery. I mean, I got 2 batteries, but now I only have 2 batteries. I used to have 3 batteries. And batteries are expensive, man. Which I hope it's new. So it took about, altogether, it took about like 10 days for me to get from the first process. But remember, I did the express. So do the express. Pay it right away, unless you don't have the money. But pay it right away. It's only 70 something bucks. $69.99 plus tax. And then bam. And I still have one more for the year, because I got this like 4 months ago. So I still got one more year. One more. I think that one's like a little bit more, $80 something. But I ain't planning on messing it up. But I should have tried to hit up the actual warranty, because this wasn't my fault. This was a connection. You know what I'm saying? The connection actually, that wasn't my fault. So I was wondering, maybe, I don't know if it would have went under the warranty or what. But there it is. Care Refresh Express. Refresh Care Express DJI. 10 days to get it back. This is something that is a must. You should get it, you know, because I didn't get it as soon as when I first bought this drone. I didn't get it. I didn't get it till the next day, and luckily I got it because I would have been paying almost $1,000 again for this baby, or at least $900. Most important thing I could have done is gotten that DJI Refresh Care. So I just did that. And then I got this for Christmas. So I got ND, of course I got ND filters with the Fly More combo. I got the 16, 32, and some really high number. So those are pretty dark, and I do use the 16 once in a while. But I asked my brother to give me this hard stop variable ND pack from Freewell. Bam! And I'm not sponsoring them. They're not sponsoring me or whatever. But I've been seeing a lot of videos, and I've been, you know, seeing which ND filters I should get, and I decided to get the, you know, the different f-stops. You know what I'm saying? So, damn. Oh, there it is. Bam. That's a cool little case. I heard Freewell are pretty good. So, I mean, I've been watching a bunch of tutorials and stuff involving ND filters. And cool. Comes with some cool stickers. Bam. Learn the basics. What is ISO? What is shutter speed? How does it affect your footage? It little helps you out for people who really don't know. There's some video tutorials. All you gotta do is scan the code. This is a lifetime warranty, but with confidence. Oh damn! I didn't know that. They have lifetime warranty, guys. I didn't even know that. And then here's a little lens cleaner, little cloth, clean your lenses. And then let's see what this is all about. Has a little nice little sticker on here. How do you open this? I guess like this. Bam! Oh look, this is tight. Look, it has a cover. I think this goes on here. That's cool. Look at that. Freewell, baby. Look at that. That's tight. That's cool. Okay, so pretty sure most people know how to put these on, but if you don't, and look, it has two extra little slots. So I guess if you get a couple more, you could put them in here. Or I could put my ones that came with it. Maybe they'll fit in here too. So this is the 6 to 9 stop. There they are right here, guys. 6 to 9 stop. Put it like this, and you gotta, first you gotta take off the one that's on there, which is just a clear one. And then you put it at a little angle, and then boom, you click it in. And then bam, you got your Freewell. Ooh, this is a game changer, man. This is a fucking game changer for me, guys. Well, I guess it doesn't fit on here. It doesn't fit on here with these things. But I guess this is just a little cover. Alright. And like I said, there's not too many of these videos out there that are really up to date. So, if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The DJI Care Refresh is legit. It works badass and it's real quick. But do the express one. if you don't want to wait long. And Freewell Variable ND Filters, f-stops on there, baby. This is McFly, videography, photography, aka Loto Gets the World. Peace. I'm out.